this point, we have gone through the pay for your survey tasks in setting up and conducting a study. Notice that the green X is here now, which means that your study has either already been paid for or we've made other arrangements and I've approved the invoicing plan that we have in place. So the next thing to do is to launch your survey, which means get it so that we can start collecting data for your survey. So let's go to that page now and see what it looks like. One thing you remember is that you have decided to take care of the sample provision yourself. We're not doing that for you. If we were doing it for you, some of these steps would already be taken care of and you won't have to worry about it. But I wanted to show you the full process if you take care of providing your sample. So there are 4 steps involved. First of all, you need to get your survey link so that you can send this to your sample provider. So if you click there, the survey link will be shown and you can just copy and paste that and send it to your sample provider. Your sample provider will also have return links that they'll want to send the respondents back to their site for payment or compensation in some way. And so basically they will tell you what those survey links are and you will enter them into these boxes here. There's very often a completion URL or a screen out URL. But again, you'll need to enter that there because we need to put that in our survey so that when a respondent gets to that point, they can be redirected according to your sample provider's direction. Also, your sample provider may have ID variable names that get sent back to them so they can make sure that their panelists are taken care of. So if they have any sort of ID variable name, you want to enter it there. Again, these are things that should be well known by the sample providers. If you have any questions or issues at this point, you can always contact us and we'll help you work through this step. But once you get all 3 of those entered into this page, then we'll want you to click this box to indicate that your sample is ready to go. Then, basically, when you click Launch Your Survey, that will tell you that it's ready to go. But again, given that you're providing your own sample, you'll need to make arrangements with your sample provider regarding how data are collected in terms of a schedule, etc. So I'm going to click Launch Your Survey here, and it says your survey has been launched. And again, please let your sample provider know that you're ready to send respondents to the IEPY survey. With that, we'll move on to the next step.